In this video, I'm gonna show you how to disconnect Monopoly Go from Apple ID. To disconnect Monopoly Go from your Apple ID, first of all, launch open the Monopoly Go application on your device, and once you're inside the game page, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of the screen. Now in the expanded menu, click on the Settings button. Under Settings, tap on Manage Account. You will see a list of connected accounts on the page. Find your Apple account and there should be an option to disconnect it. Now if you've linked your Monopoly Go account with Apple ID, you can see the disconnect button right next to the Apple logo. Tap on it and then it'll show you how you can stop using Apple Sign In. So in order to do that, first of all, you'll need to go to your device's settings. Go ahead and open up your settings application from your iPhone and then click on your profile picture or your name at the top. Now click on Sign In with Apple. From the apps and websites list, scroll down and find Monopoly Go. Click the delete button when you see this page and click on Stop Using in order to stop using Sign In with Apple option for Monopoly Go. Right after you do that, you can get back to the Monopoly Go application, and that way you will be able to log out from your Apple ID in the game. That is how you can easily log out or disconnect Monopoly Go from Apple ID. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.